architect Sonu Rai, and in this video tutorial I am going to discuss about circle and arc command in AutoCAD 2019. And if you go to your main toolbar, you are seeing here circle and arc, and there is drop down arrow. That means there are a lot more commands than this. And if I am going to select this circle, and you are saying that center, radius, center, diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tan radius and tan. And in the arc also there are lot many commands, so we will discuss the important which are required for architects and interior designer. So I am going to select this center radius. If you click your mouse, it will show some information, that is creates a circle using a center point and a radius. So that means you have to select any center point. I am selecting, and it's saying specify radius of circle. I am going to put any value, that is any value you can take. I am entering 1200, and so this circle is made of radius 1200. And if you want to cross verify, you can go to these dimensions and you can take a radius here, and if you select, is showing radius 1200. And in the next, if you will select this center and diameter, that means you have to select center. Now you have to enter diameter value. If I am going to enter any diameter value 3000, so this circle is created of total diameter 3000 and radius, that is half 1500. If you want, you can check from here. Go to this dimension, select diameter, select this circle, and now it's showing diameter 3000. And if you go to select this next 2 point, so that means creates a circle using 2 end points of diameter. So I am going to select this 2 end point of diameter. I am clicking here, and I am going to click anywhere, and it will create circle using 2 end points in diameter. Also you can select this line, you can create any line and select the 2 end point of this line. Suppose this is diameter, you can create by selecting end point of line. Also you can create circle by this 2 point, and this is 3 point circle. So suppose if I am going to select this 3 point, I am going to create line, first point, second point and third point, and I am going to select this 3 point circle. So I am going to select this first point, this second point, and this another third point. So you can create circle using 3 point. After that, this is tan and radius. So that means you can create a circle with a specified radius tangent to two object. So I am going to select this 1 second, and radius I am going to give 3000, and it will create circle by using this 2 tangent of this circle tan, and you have to give the radius value. Again this is tan. That means create a circle tangent to 3 object. So I am going to select this first, second and third. So it will create circle using 3 tangents. So these are mostly useful, and you can use them in your designs and planning. Also you can take this simple center and radius also. And after that there is arc. So if you select this arc, simple arc, you can create whatever the dimensions in your planning. You can create arc also without referring. And also if you want to refer, you can select this 3 point arc using 3 point. So if I am making any line, first, second and third, and if I am going to select this 3 point arc, first, second and third, you can create 3 points using this 3 point. And also there is start and center end. So that means you have to give a start, then you have to define the center, and you will create end point itself only. So I am going to select somewhere. If I am selecting this and giving this center point, I am entering this 4000, and it will create end point itself. And if you go to this start, center and angle, that means you have to give a start point, then you have to define the center point. I am entering any center point value 4000, and now you have to hold control key to define the side of this arc, and now you have to enter the value of angle. You can saying this angle is changing, and I am going to enter any value, that is 60 degree, and you are seeing is 60 degree with angle the arc is created. And there are lot more commands which you can refer. They are not that much important if you consider architecture and interior designing. And so thanks for watching. In the next video tutorial we will see the, more commands in AutoCAD 2019. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.